Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Honor 400 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Then click search and click install. And then click open. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now and click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.